Hi everyone! Today's theme is house cleaning. So all of these words we may say or use when we are cleaning the house or cleaning our messes. Are you ready? Let's begin. Mess-y, messy. Smelled, smelled. Cleaned up, cleaned up. Pile, pile. Wall, wall. Floor, floor. Window, window. Grabbed, grabbed. Puts, puts. Done, done. Fantastic! Now let's do it faster. Messy, messy. Smelled, smelled. Cleaned up, cleaned up. Pile, pile. Wall, wall. Floor, floor. Window, window. Grabbed, grabbed. Puts, puts. Done, done. Great! Are you ready for a little game? I'm going to call out a word and you need to choose the matching card. Listen carefully. Wall, wall. Excellent. Floor, floor. Good work. Messy, messy. Great job. Pile, pile. Perfect. Puts, puts. Terrific. Now we are going to do a memory game. Remember where these cards are. I'm going to call out one word, and you need to point at the right card. Are you ready? Look for smelled. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is smelled? Could you find it? Yes, you could. Nice work. Now look for done. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is done? Did you find it? Yep, you did. Great job. Now look for cleaned up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is cleaned up? Could you find it? Yes, you could. Perfect. Thank you for studying house cleaning with me today. One final question. What is the room like if it needs cleaning?